All right, guys, just finished up this 2019 Denali Dually 3500 HD. Did the Cognito 7 to 9, setting at 9. This is their non-torsion drop kit. Very nice system. Powder coated illusion purple. Got the tow hooks as well. Spike lugs have been coated, along as the rear springs and a couple other additional components on this one. Did the 22-inch Cali off-road wheels with a 37 1250 22 Nitto ridge grappler. Cognito upper arms, Fox resi shocks. And this kit kind of looks blue in photos and video, but it's very purple in person. This dry shaft's been polished, as well as the exhaust. Did a 5-inch system on this one. Springs has been, as well as the overloads, have been powder coated illusion purple. When we did a Fox resi dual shock setup on this one, this was all custom built in house. Bank stiff cover as well, and we went ahead and did the towing package in illusion purple as well. Alright, guys, that is pretty much it on this one. Make sure it's focused for you. I'll do one more walk around for you. This one is about to be picked up by the owner, and I believe he's gonna be extremely happy with it. All right, guys, that's it for now.